Hello, Mrs. Johnson here. April Daily Math number 2. So our math for April number 2. All right, place value. Make the smallest and the largest number from the digits. So the digits we have first are 6, 3, and 7. The least number they can make, we have to use the smallest number, then the next smallest, then the biggest last. So the smallest number they could make is 367. The greatest number they could make, that's what we have to do if we're using the biggest number. So we start with the biggest and then the next and then the next. So it would be 763. All right, 5, 9, and 1. The least number would be 1, then 5, then 9. 159. The greatest number would be 9, then 5, then 1. 951. The last numbers are 8, 0, and 3. The least number we can make from these, well, 0 is the smallest, so if 0 was first, we wouldn't even have to put that. So the next smallest is 3, and then 8, so the number would be 38. That one's kind of tricky, huh? And the biggest number we could make would be 830. 830. All right, time. When we're telling time, how many seconds are in a minute? Ooh, bump, 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 bump. 60. How many seconds are in 3 minutes? Well, if we know how to times it, we can times it. But otherwise, all we need to do is add 60 plus 60 plus 60. Or 6 plus 6 plus 6, and then add the 0 on the end. So it's 180 minutes. All right, 3-digit subtraction. Rewrite the subtraction problem, then subtract. Mrs. Johnson's going to do expanded form to subtract so that you guys can see different ways to remember all the ways we've learned. 852 is the same as 800 plus 50 plus 2. 630 is the same as 600 plus 30 plus 0. If we subtract those, 2 minus 0 would just be 2. 50 minus 30 would be 20. And 800 minus 600 would be 200. So my answer is 200 plus 20 plus 2, which is 222. 222. If you did it standard algorithm, great. If you did base 10 blocks, great. You do it however you want to figure that one out. Answer the questions below about the array. How many rows are there? Rows are these. A row, a row, a row. A row goes across, a column goes up and down. So how many rows are there? There's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows. 3 rows. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 columns. This tells us to write a repeated addition sentence. So we are not writing a times table. We are writing a repeated addition sentence. 8 plus 8 plus 8. All right, and that equals 24. Capacity. How many equal a gallon? How many cups are in a gallon? You might have had to look this up, but hopefully you figured it out. 16 cups are in a gallon, 8 pints are in a gallon, and 4 quarts are in a gallon. All right, use the fewest number of coins possible. So if we are making 96 cents, we're going to probably use quarters. Quarters are worth what? 25. So I have a 25, 25, 25. 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, 96. 3 quarters, 2 dimes, 1 penny. Word problem. There were 6 Easter baskets. Each basket had 3 eggs. How many eggs were in all? Draw a picture to represent the problem. So there were 6 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there were 3 eggs in each of our baskets. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So how many are there altogether? There are 18. Write the fraction that is not shaded. 1 is not shaded. Out of how many are there altogether? 5. 1/5. How many are not shaded here? 4. 4 are not shaded. Out of how many are there together? 6. 4/6. You guys have a great day.